In this video, I'm going to talk you through how you can add a Stumbleupon button, or Stumbleupon badge as they call it, to your website to enable people to mark your site on Stumbleupon. Okay, first thing to do is to sign up for an account with Stumbleupon. It's free to join, so you simply click here on the join for free. And they want your email address and some other details, so let's go ahead and pause the video while I do that. And when that's all done, all you have to do is come down to the button here that says Get Started and click on it. Then you need to prove that you're a human being and not a spam bot. You can either connect with Facebook or you can validate with CAPTCHA. I'm going to validate with CAPTCHA. And click on Done, and there we are. Now you can go through and set up all the things that interest you, but what I'm going to do now is just go to their main page, and then you want to come down here to where it says Sites and click on that link, and then click here where it says Badges. And you can see it gives a bit of information about the badges, and then you scroll over here to where it says Get Your Badge Now and click on that. And here you can choose from this menu on the left that shows all the different types of designs that you can have. I'm going to use this one for this demonstration. So when I click on it, you'll see that it adds a line of code here, and this is the line of code that you need to add to your site. So highlight that and then right click on a PC to copy it onto your computer's clipboard, and then you need to integrate that into your site. If you have a simple HTML site, it's quite easy to add this code in using an HTML editor like NView. What you would do is go to the source tag and then just simply paste the code in, and then when I save that, let's call this Stumbleupon. I call it stumbleupon.html, so I'm going to save that. And now if I open that in Firefox, you can see we have the Stumbleupon badge there, and that's how it will be displayed in your web browser. If you have a WordPress blog, then you'll need to add the badge using a widget, and what you want to do is use a text widget. So you log into your dashboard and go to Appearance and then Widgets, and scroll down. It says text, it says arbitrary text or HTML. Drag that over into the widget area that you want to use. I'm going to use the primary widget area, and then simply paste the line of code in there, just Control and V, and then just simply save it, and that's done. And now when I go to the blog page, there we go, you'll see we now have the Stumbleupon badge right there on the home page. So there you go, that's how you can add a Stumbleupon badge to your website.